Hi there. Welcome to one of the last presentations in the series of evidence-based medicine. Our topic today is bias and confounding in scientific evidence. I already touched this topic a little bit in my previous presentations, but today I will try to make a more concise presentation on bias. Let me, as usual, try to make a short reminder on the previous session. You should be able to answer this question if you have watched the previous presentations. Which section of an article should be read in more detail to appraise the validity of a harm article? That's actually a very simple question for a scientist, for an experienced scientist, but my presentations are intended to be for more students. So please think about where you would find in a scientific article. We have these four sections, four major sections. There might be more subsections, but introduction, objectives, methods, results, and discussion are the main parts of a scientific article. So in which part you would find the information to appraise the validity. Of course, all parts are important, but method, of course, should be the correct answer, the correct place to have a look. Okay. Today's objectives are in this slide, presented in this slide. Actually, they are very simple. To discuss the different types of bias. We will not be able to cover all types of bias. There are tens of biases, but the major and more commonly observed bias types should be presented here, and you should be able to discuss these different types of bias, and of course also confounding. Stop recording.